Hi everyone, we're going to look at Sprint 24. Florence rolls 3 standard 6-sided dice. What is the probability that the product of the numbers that she rolls is a multiple of 2 but not a multiple of 3? Okay, so standard 6-sided dice, they've got the numbers 1 through 6 on them, right? Like that. Of these numbers, 2, 4, and 6 are multiples of 2, and 3 and 6 are multiples of 6. So this means when you roll a die, there's a 3 out of 6 or a 1/2 chance that you roll a multiple of 2, and a 2 out of 6 or a 1/3 chance that you will roll a multiple of 3. And importantly, these are independent probabilities. So this means that if you roll a multiple of 2, you have a 1/3 chance of rolling a multiple of 3. If you don't roll a multiple of 2, you have a 1/3 chance of rolling a multiple of 3. One has no effect on the other one. Okay, that's a little bit subtle, but it is important for this problem. So she's got 3 dice, and there's 2 things that we need to know, 2 components to this problem. First one, we need to find the probability that the product of the numbers that she rolls is a multiple of 2. So for the product of 3 numbers to be a multiple of 2, all you need is for one of the 3 numbers to be a multiple of 2. And that's kind of tricky. I don't know how to find out whether one of the 3 numbers is a multiple of 2, or maybe 2 of them, or maybe even all 3 of them. That sounds like a pain. But what's a lot easier to find is the probability that none of them is a multiple of 2. So there's a 1/2 chance that the first one isn't a multiple of 2, and then there's a 1/2 chance that the second one isn't a multiple of 2, and then there's a 1/2 chance that the third one isn't a multiple of 2. So I'm going to multiply those all together, and that's going to get me 1/8. Meaning that there's a 1/8 chance that the product of the numbers is not a multiple of 2. But it either is or it isn't. So there's a 1 minus 1/8, or a 7/8 chance that the number is a multiple of 2. Okay, we also need this number to not be a multiple of 3. Well, we know all about that. We just found the probability that something isn't a multiple of 2, so now we'll find the probability that it isn't a multiple of 3. There's a 1/3 chance that you do get a multiple of 3 when you roll a die, so there's a 2/3 chance that you don't, and then when you roll the second die, there's again a 2/3 chance that you don't, and on the third die, it's still a 2/3 chance, right? So the probability that none of these dice rolls a multiple of 3 is going to be 2/3 times 2/3 times 2/3, which is 8/27. Okay, so the probability that the product of numbers is a multiple of 2 is 7/8. The probability that it is not a multiple of 3 is 8/27. And because these are independent probabilities, we can just multiply them together to find the probability that they both happen, which is 7/8 times 8/27. This is a really easy fraction multiplication because you just cancel out the 8s, you get the 7 on the top, the 27 on the bottom. Those are relatively prime because 7 is prime. And that is the answer, and it's answer D.
Hey, this is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do: like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.